Hi, I'm Rashid.
And I'm Akshay.
Welcome to Emergency English. This is a show where we teach you English.
Today we are going to teach you guys about adjectives, adverbs, and how you can use them to describe things.
Let's get right into it.
It's time for
Emergency English! To begin with, let's talk about what an adjective is. An adjective is a word that gives an attribute or description to any noun. Adjectives are used in a vast variety of ways and are commonplace in daily conversation. Adjectives are used to describe anything. It could be a tangible object or even a concept. Let's start off with an example. This duck is awesome. Here, the word awesome is used to describe the duck. You can also frame it in a different way. You can say that is an awesome duck. This is quite different from Spanish, where you would normally put the adjective after the noun, but in English, you put the adjective before the noun.
Within one quality you are describing, let's say you want to describe size, you may want to say that there is a difference between the size of three separate objects, all of which that you think are big. For the one that is the smallest, you would describe it as big. For the one that is more big, you would call it bigger. And for the one that is most big, you would use the word biggest. This is what we call comparative adjectives. When you take an adjective and add an er to the end, it means that it has more of the quality that you are describing relative to another noun which has that quality as well. When you take an adjective and add est, est to the end, then you are saying that it has the most of the quality that you are just trying to describe.
Now that you know about adjectives, let's talk about adverbs. Adverbs are used when you describe a verb, an action word, or an adjective, or even another adverb. Often adverbs will end in ly. Let's take a look at a couple examples. The duck is slowly waddling. Here the word slowly is being used to describe how the duck is waddling. Waddling is the verb here, and slowly is the adverb that is modifying the verb. You can also say the duck is waddling slowly. Both are correct. Unlike adjectives, adverbs can be used both before and after the word that they're modifying. Both are equally allowed. Let's look at another example. The duck is swimming fast. Alright, let's break the sentence down. Here, duck is the noun. Swimming is the verb, the action that the duck is doing. And fast is acting as an adverb that describes how the duck is swimming. Although fast can function as a normal adjective, like in the sentence, the car is fast, here, it's just an adjective describing the car. It can also function as an adverb, as seen in the previous example. Be careful about looking at the context in which an adjective is being used to identify it as either an adjective or an adverb.
A description is when you detail the qualities that a noun has. This can be done by using adjectives on multiple aspects of a noun. So if I describe this duck, I would use adjectives to talk about its different features and attributes. I could start with this duck's beak is round, then move on to this duck's feathers are white, and finish with this duck is pretty small. After having talked about multiple of the duck's features, I have now described it.
And that concludes this video on adjectives, adverbs, and describing things. Our next video will be about expressing possession. So if you need help with that topic, come by and watch it. Thank you for watching Emergency English.
And we will see you next time.